Morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aswa and I am so excited to have you guys here. Today I am packing and prepping for my trip to Texas, which I am leaving for next week. So I'm at least starting the video today. I probably won't finish it till next week. However, today, first order of business is to get my nails done. So right now I have a little white going on, and then once I'm out of my nail appointment, I will show you guys the after. Okay, I got my nails done. They are like a red chrome. They're a little bit brighter in person than they're showing up on camera. But now I'm at Target. I need to grab a few travel size things. I have most of the stuff I need at home, but I wanted to get a new bag of like reusable ones because mine are just like super icky and they're like so hard to clean out that I think I'm just gonna grab some new ones. And then there's certain things that I don't like to use the reusable ones for, so I'll just grab minis of those. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab some things at Target real quick and then I'm gonna go home. Okay, I've been walking around Target for a little bit. I got a little bit distracted, so I have stuff in my cart now, but I'm going to the right direction now to actually get the things that I need. Okay, I just got back from Target. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul of pretty much everything I got. Sorry, my cat likes to get in the way of everything. I got some Clorox wipes because I will be cleaning off everything in the plane. And then I got 2 swimsuit tops. So there's this one, it's like navy blue. I just realized I can't tell if this is a tear or a sticker, but if it's a tear, I'm gonna have to take it back. And then I got the matching bottoms with it. So these are just the bottoms. And then I got this top, which is black with like a little white trim and little bows. I just thought it was simple and cute. And I got a little travel toothbrush because I don't have one, but then it's annoying having to pack my regular toothbrush. So I got a travel size one. I already have travel size toothpaste. And then I got just some of these little bottles for my travel stuff. Some makeup remover wipes. The EOS body lotion. This is what I use every single day. So I just got like a mini size of it. And then I also got the body wash because that's what I use every day too. And I got the Prequel hypochlorous acid spray. I have a bigger size one that I love to just keep on me, especially like airplane air just feels gross. So I got this for that. And I just got a small micellar water. This is also what I use every day to take my makeup off. And then I just restocked on my regular moisturizer because I was out, but it does fit in the TSA fluids allowance thing, so I can just take my regular moisturizer with me. And then I got this body wash because I've heard good things about it, but I didn't want to commit to the full size yet in case I don't like it, so I just got the small ones so I can try it. And then I got some Q-tips, and then lastly, not travel related, I got a little step stool because I needed one. I'm not going to pack today. I might just do my toiletries today and then pack like clothes next week because I still need to do laundry and everything before I can pack. All right, I have a little bit of time before I have to go to work today. It snowed over the weekend, so we don't have to go until noon today. So I thought I would take this time to just at least start packing because my flight leaves really early Friday morning. So I thought I would just start packing at least a little bit now, and then the rest I can kind of gather after work when I have a little bit of time. So I am taking this suitcase. It's from Comfort, and I haven't used this suitcase yet, but I wanted to give it a little trial run on a shorter trip to see how it goes. I am really excited to use it actually. It is just so sleek and it has so many good features, and I'm just excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. I have all the clothes that I'm taking right here, minus like undergarments and socks. I'm gonna run another load before I pack those, but I have my actual clothes here. I also don't have any pants here because I'm only taking 2 pairs of jeans and I plan to wear them this week. So I will pack those at the end of the week. So this is the bag. It has the 2 sides. One is fully divided with the net and the other side has a compression strap and a little zipper pocket in it. Honestly, I probably don't even need to take this whole suitcase, but I thought better safe than sorry in case we do shop or anything there. I am packing all of the clothes on the side with just the compression strap because then if I have any other smaller items, I'll put them on the other side where it fully zips off. And just to show you guys what I'm taking this striped linen shirt from Zara, and then I'm gonna layer it over top a plain white t-shirt. I'm taking 2 white t-shirt options just in case. And then I have this short sleeve sweater. This is perfect for that kind of like in between where it's kind of warm but it's kind of cold. This is really warm but isn't gonna overheat me. Then I'm taking this sweater. This I got from Target. The other sweater I got from TJ Maxx. But I'm taking this one because it is supposed to be colder on some of the days. And then I'm packing a sweatshirt that I thrifted, a t-shirt to sleep in, and a pair of PJ pants to sleep in. And then the only shoes I'm taking are my Adidas, which I'm gonna wear on the flight. And then I'm also taking this brown jacket. I'm just gonna pack this because I'm wearing a sweatshirt on the flight and I don't wanna have too much on me. So I was able to fit all my clothes on this side and zipped it up. I decided to switch sides since my suitcase would open up this way so I can put all the smaller items here and don't risk them moving around or anything. So all my clothes are up here and zipped up. And then once I have undergarments and socks, I'm gonna put those in here, put my hair straightener in here, and all the rest of the items. I'll put my jeans on this side, and then I'm gonna put my coat on top and just compress everything down. Okay, so it's the night before my flight, and I did finish packing a little bit ago. I forgot to record it. I was kind of just trying to get everything done, but I have my bag fully packed and my backpack fully packed. My carry-on is half full, so I have a lot of space left in it, but I'm assuming I'm gonna shop while I'm there. I just left the space empty. And then now I'm gonna shower. I have to blow dry my hair and straighten it because I have to leave really, really early tomorrow morning. But this is gonna be the end of this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.